Okay, well, not much has happened. I've been very, very, very sick for the last 2 weeks. But today I have an RDO. I'm still tender. Got this lovely bit of wood, piano hinge, some elastic strap things, some little bolt things, the plug things. So we are going to make a fold down table for the back door. I haven't got around to making this gas yet, but I'm thinking of another idea first, but we'll see. But yeah, it cost me about $72 from Bunnings for all that. So we will get it going and have a look. Okay, so first up, I measured from here to here. It's about 1 meter. I closed it up to check where it lines up within here, because obviously you don't want to make it too wide and then not be able to close the back door. So measured that first, just to make sure everything fits. And then now we've got it in here. Messy shed. So then we get the old Stanley tape measure and we slap it on there, and we look at about 1 meter there. So I'll just get the recip, well, not the recip saw, the circular saw out, and cut that one off. Okay, so that was pretty easy. Just cut the bastard off with that thing. So now realistically we probably should sand the edge here just to make it, you know, somewhat nice. So I'll just bang some sandpaper on that and yeah, get back into it. As we can see now, the edges are a little bit more not gonna get stuck in your hand, so that's good. All right, next is picking what side, you know, that side's pretty good, or is that side pretty good? I don't know. Look, to be honest, I don't think it's gonna matter, because now we just sort of got to get our hinge and decide if I'm gonna run it full length or I'm gonna cut it in half. And oh, you know what, full length. We're not gonna cut it in half. All right, now I'll get to the next section. Okay, so we've got the hinge, some screws, tape measure and pencil. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure in and in. So 500, because it's obviously 1 meter. So 500 will be the center. I'll then measure this and we'll go, well, half each way of what the length of that is. Mark it so we know where it sits. Then we'll put a screw through the middle to hold it. Then we'll mark all our holes, pre-drill all the holes, and then slap all the screws in. Now, it really depends what way you want to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it on this way. So the hinge part will be in the middle there. And so it will fold up to sort of like that when it's on the car, and then when it's down, it'll be like that. So it should be fine. So that'll be that. I'll mark all that up and put some screw holes in, and then we'll go to the next part. Okay, so pretty much spank bang there, somewhat similar there. Now look, I was going to pre-drill them, but actually going pretty nicely, and it is pretty thick, so I'm not going to worry. So now just screw in 1,000,000 screws, and then we'll go to the car. Yeah, we're back out here. There's our thing. I've decided that this line here is going to be my line that it just sits on. So you will need, I forgot to buy some, but I had some at home, countersunk taper head screws. So they will just sit in like that. And they'll sit really nicely. It won't hit on anything, and they'll be nice. So now there's going to be a mission on my own, but I'm just going to screw that in and then hope for the best. Okay, 3 screws in. I think I've got, what, four left, so I'll bang those in. It's pretty close. I'm not too fast. Looks alright. No, beautiful. Alright, next step. Alright, I put the bad side on the inside. It folds down. Now I was going to do bits of rope from there to there, or from there to there, just to stop it with this bounce. But I'm putting a fair bit of weight on it, and it's actually pretty sturdy. I mean, if we look along, like, it's actually not bad. Like, it's not going to rip out, but I don't know if I just do a singular one up the center and connect it to that, so I'm not drilling more unnecessary holes, or I don't know. I haven't decided yet. I might leave that tool a bit later. I might think about that. But anyway, now what we are going to do is get these bad boys, and we're going to put them about there, and we're going to get our little thing and have some so they hook on. I'll screw one in and then show you. So that's what we're aiming for. Undo that. Tuck it in. Boop. Yep. You don't want them too tight, so I've just sort of left them like a medium. Got to think about Grace's little hands, so I don't want to do them where they're, you know, impossible to undo. So, but yep, that's that one done. Got to do the next one. Beautiful. They're somewhat even. That one might be a little bit further out than that one, but I don't care. So yeah, beautiful. Undo that one. Undo that one. Table. Have a go at that. Sickness. Okay, well, I just found out that, look, these on there, once they're all nice and tight, like once it's actually got a bit of weight on it, they go down pretty nicely. But also, when they're done, with them still on there, once they're cut off, these still fit on over the top, and there's no way they're coming off. So I think I've had a bit of a win there. That means I don't have to do any extra screw holes, and it actually looks really neat and packs up nicely and nothing hangs out. So there we go. Might just tighten this one up just a touch and we'll be fine. And so there we have it. I don't know what mode my phone's gone onto, but we'll accept it. Someone just got home. But yeah, you know, cut the ends off pretty nicely. They fold up, and then these go on over the top there, and on over the top there. Might just cut these little tails off here, and there we have it. Lovely, good stuff. And with the leftover wood, oh, can I do it? Here we go, and you can use it as kindling to start the fire. Yes, well, at least we know if the car catches on fire, it'll burn pretty easily. Lovely.